So YouTube, today we're going to go over how to dehydrate a car. So if you ever have water issues, water infiltration into the inside of your car and you need to get it out, here's a real quick trick on how we go about doing it. So this is an SUV and we're able to put the seat all the way up front. And if you have a dehydrator like this, just put the dehydrator in here and put it on continuous operation. And it'll get a little toasty in here. That's normal because in essence it's a micro air conditioner. So it's got heat coming on one side and it's got a chill evaporator coils on the other to suck up all the fluid. So we're going to show you how much fluid it took up. It's been running for about 2 hours, and I'm going to show you how much water it took out. Okay, we're going to do a quick comparison. So you see on this side the rest where the seat is bolted onto the car chassis. This was filled with water, just like this side earlier. But as you can see, this is all dried out now. So I'm feeling the carpet, it still feels a little moist. And so we're gonna have to run it some more. And hopefully we'll have something better to show you in a couple hours. This is the dehydrator, stripped out of the vehicle. My dad. Open up the front panel and remove the so you see that? All that came out of the air from inside the car. So hopefully you won't have this issue, but if you do, this is a great way to get rid of water. Just plant a dehydrator inside your car. Alright, hope this helps you. Good luck. Alright, we have it back. And these are the settings for those of you interested. Just got this one on continuous, put the fan on high, and we're using a bucket, so it'll stop once the bucket is full, or you could kind of send it out with a pipe like this and just send it out continuously. But since we want to track our progress, we're going to keep it in the bucket.